Hey YouTube family, what's going on? It's your girl Raquel and I'm back y'all with another video. And it's my Boxycharm unboxing for the month of August. This is a huge box, so I'm guessing it's the premium box. As always. I have not yet opened it because I like to open it with you guys. So if you guys want to see what's in this box, stay with your girl because I'm about to go ahead and cut her open. Y'all, I couldn't help it this month. I really wanted to know because I missed the boxing. What is it when you choice? When you get to choose what you want. So I have no idea what was coming. So I had to watch. I had to watch a couple of other people that get the boxes for free. Oh, they glued this box this month on the inside. Usually it just opens, but I can't, girl. Ooh, Boxycharm. This part was glued. But anyway, that was the first. Let's see what we're working with. It's the premium box. Okay. And the theme this month says go all out. As I was saying, I did watch a few videos because I wanted to know just what was coming. And this was one of the things, the very first thing that I seen of, you know, the people that get the free boxes, they be early, y'all. And this was one of the things that I seen that I wanted. This is the Larus. I think they were called face cleansing. Yeah, I know I got on my contacts so I can't see nothing. Face disc. Wipe away your day with the alternative eco-friendly solution of disposable makeup wipes. Oh, and cotton pads. So I think that they were washable. Yeah, and they said they $24. So I guess it's kind of like the makeup bases. You get 3 discs. I know one was for cleansing, one was for makeup. I remember, I'm telling you, I watched somebody's video, but I don't remember. The organic bamboo cotton has soft plush fibers that will gently remove impurities. Its versatility means it can be used for different types of applications. Oh, for different kind of cleansers. Okay. Alright, but yeah, this is what they look like. I never use these because I don't know. And I can't see putting this with makeup on it in the wash because they're machine washable. But just by themselves, and I wouldn't want to put them in there with something else that's going to just have makeup come off on it. So, I don't know, but I was intrigued and I did want to get these. Anyway, they $24, and I got them, so I ain't mad at it. I am not mad at it. Anything to save my towels. And the next thing I got in here is, some crap. I'm sorry. Y'all might like this. It says Acclimist. We've got something else by Acclimist. I don't mean it's crap. But it's a Grown Acclimist Age Repair Gel Mask, an anti-aging facial mask that costs $79. That's why I don't like getting these, because the prices be outrageous and I just don't be believing them. I just don't believe the price. But this is what it looks like. And I don't need, it could be that I don't really need, come on now, camera. That I don't really need any skincare. I got an abundance of skincare. But it's a gel facial mask. I'm not happy about that. What is $79? Certified toxic free, 100% natural, new evolution of healthy, scientifically advanced formulation about the biology of beautiful skin. That's what it says. Okay. An aged gel repair face mask. We'll see. I'm not happy with that. But anyway, the next thing I have here is Earth Harbor Sunshine Dew. Why is this box full of skincare? This says it's an antioxidant cleansing oil. Okay, I take that back. I'm not going to complain. Sweet tropical sunshine with silky dewdrops sails smoothly across your face, removing impurities, pollution, and makeup. So I ain't mad about this because I like oil makeup removers. That's what it looks like. Sunshine Dew. And it's just, for me, it's just the oil to easily remove my makeup. And it says this was $24. I ain't mad about this. I got an oil, was it month before last in a premium box? But this I like because I like using oils as a first step to take it off and then wash my face. So I'm not mad at that one. Let's see, but I'm not, oh, a Fenty Beauty. Please don't be a foundation. What is this? What It Do Makeup Refreshing Spray by Fenty Beauty. Now, I wasn't interested in this when it came out because I have an abundance of makeup sprays. That's just what y'all see over there. You don't see what's over there. But Charlotte Tilbury has been my favorite. But anyway, this says this is $35. Make It Do What It Do Makeup Refreshing Spray. A super fine hydrating mist that can be used under makeup for foundation prep or over makeup, instantly revitalizing and refreshing the look. I like Fenty Beauty, but like I said, I had too many makeup setting sprays, so I didn't jump up to grab this. This is what it looks like, and I'm assuming a lot of people didn't buy it because it's in this box. But I'm gonna see. Oh, it's a fine mister. It reminds me of the what was that? I was buying it a lot. Had a little light lavender scent to it. I think I finally used it up. But the Watermelon Glow, that's what that mist reminds me of. Okay, so I take it back. I'm not mad at this. This here will suffice the box because it's something I probably would eventually jump the board and grab. So, yeah, that's cool. Two more items, y'all. Two more. I got this Sea Minerals Mist. Osea Sea Minerals Mist. Don't tell me I got two setting sprays. Let's see. Osea Mineral. Yes, I did. Sea Minerals Mist. Balance and soothe the skin with supercharged toning. Oh, this is a toner. Properly blend of nutrient-rich seaweed visibly evens your skin tone while minerals work their magic. I can't see y'all. I got on my contacts. I need my glasses to read. Anyway, cooling, refreshing aloe vera infused mist helps nourish sun-drenched skin. It says it's $38. So I guess it's like a toner mist, but I've been using still using it. What is that? Y'all, it's in a green bottle. I can't think of Bioessence. The Bioessence tone. I still got about that much of it, and I was gonna go back to my Saturday skin, but looks like I have this. That's a cute color. I guess this was a month of skincare. Smell like water. And you know, water don't really have a smell, but there's nothing there. But yeah, that's odd. I like my toner to do something. I don't know. But it oddly enough feels cool on my hand. So I probably would use this after I tone and then spray my face with this. But that's a cute glass bottle. Let's see how much this was. Did I say how much this was already? Yeah, $38. Seaweed looks good on your skin. We'll see. I'm going to put that back in there because I'm going to use that. And the last thing in here is a Visca Soft Matte Bronzing Powder. Oh boy. These, when they come in the box, are never ever light enough. It says Kissed by Soft Matte Bronzing Powder. It's a bronzing powder that costs $30. That says it's matte. That's all we need to know. I ain't going to read all that stuff. But I don't know what color it is. But these usually don't work for my skin tone because it says it's vegan and cruelty free. Tropical scented bronzing powder because it's not going to ever be dark enough. Ever. I'll be shocked. I'm shocked. It's too damn dark. Okay, this is what it looks like, y'all. It is really, really dark. But it don't have any red. It just looks like a, I don't know. I don't know. Don't know. Let's see. Get a little brush. Use this little brush just to see. But it looked like it's going to be really, really dark. I could be wrong. Just have to use it with a light hand. Ooh, we done made a lie to me right on camera. Ain't nothing I can say. It's not super, it looks really dark, but you just have to use a light hand. Can y'all see? I just knew it was going to be super light and nothing like a bronzer, but I was wrong. I take it back. Next time I won't talk before I look. And that's the last thing that's in my premium box this month. I'm not too excited about this box, but that Fenty setting spray and this oil makeup remover. I think these are the two things that I'm excited for, or that I'm happy to have, or that makes me feel like my $35 was worth something. Oh yeah, and the little cleansing disc, but I'll more than likely wash these by hand. Other than that, this box was just, man. Okay guys, I will see you in the next video. Y'all stay blessed, and whenever my base box comes, I'll be back. Alright, talk to you guys. Stay blessed. Bye guys.